Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, beauty tools, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, invite to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. So today we're going to be unbox our February Boxycharm Premium box. I do have this box here for so long. I have the box since the 8th, I think, and I did film this video twice, and the two times that I finished, I filmed. The two times that I filmed, I wasn't happy with the results. So this is our last premium box. They just announced that we ain't gonna be getting the premium box anymore. Now we're just gonna be getting the base box and the luxe box every quarter of the year, which is fine for me. So let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that for a small amount you get a box every month. Well, the luxe box is just a quarter of the year with a bunch of goodies, brand makeup, skincare, some tools, fabulous. I'm gonna have everything linked down below for Boxycharm if you decide to check them out, and prices and everything. All right, so let's dig into this box. These months the box theme is Be My Glam Time. We're late, sorry. So the first product here is going to be the Huda Beauty Mercury Heterograde eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is so beautiful, oh my god, but the palette is gorgeous. These shades are stunning. You can create so many beautiful look with this palette. Take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmic shades with both bold and natural shades. This palette delivers infinity possibilities. Yep, infinite possibility. And this beauty here retails for $67. Whee! Definitely worth it, every penny. The palette is gorgeous. The shades are so pigmented. Even the matte one, they are so pigmented, so beautiful. So it's worth every penny. Okay, all right, so our next product here is going to be Aciology Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. This little guy here. Here you have the little gua sha, I think that's what they call. So pretty, has like a heart shape. Or then a luxurious to a masking sash. The gua sha boosts skin radiance, firm and smooth skin, reduce fine lines, and stimulate blood circulation. And this beauty here retails for $45. Very cute, very nice. I love that. I love massaging my skin when I do my skincare routine, so yeah, thumbs up for this. And our next product here is going to be Christopher Robin Instantaneous Volume Mist with rose water. Oh, I love this mist. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it so you guys see how amazing it smells. Literally it smells like roses. Have rose water, so yeah, fabulous. All right, this mist make thin, fine or flat hair feel thicker and fuller of body while delivering an easy to style hold using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. Fabulous. And this beauty here retails for $39. Nice. I love this guy's product. I tried some of his product before and it is amazing. So yeah. Alright, and our next product here is going to be Moonlit Makeup Primer for the Night. Ooh. Alright, here is the Moonlit eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silk lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy a vibrant lasting color whatever you adventurous leads. Nice, very nice. Yeah, I use that. I actually enjoy this very much, and this beauty here retails for $18. Alright, and our next product here is going to be Vike Beauty. I love these. I tried these already and I really love it. It works fabulous. A makeup remover spray with a skincare benefit. Makeup melts as 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin. After the removal, leave your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and makeup melts well. Will remove your makeup, giving you a spa feel experience at home. Fabulous. Very nice. And this beauty retails for $24. Alright, and our last product here is gonna be Yoma Beauty Badass MF lip liner. Okay. Oh yeah, this lip liner is so beautiful. I did try it and I like it. What do it look like? Let's give the shade. Shape and fill your lips to add the definition and the structure with those high pigmented silk smooth lip liner designed to be worn with your favorite lip shade. And this beauty here retails for $16. Fabulous, great price, great lip liner. I really like it. So that's all for this February Boxycharm Premium. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next month. That's almost here already. For March base box unboxing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.